Hey guys, Phil from Breakthru Fitness, and today we're going to go over a couple of fit techniques on how to foam roll your calves. Put your leg on top of the foam roller, and then your top leg, your other leg, is going to pin the calf down. So just going to start here and then just start rolling. And what you're looking for is a real tender spot. Once I find that tender spot, I can oscillate forward and back. I can turn and rotate it. I can flex my bottom foot. One thing people do a lot is they keep their bottom leg tight. This is a sort of protective mechanism from the pain, so try to release it. Now, one other part to remember is that there's different aspects of the calf. So you want to get the inside of the calf, and you want to get the outside portion of the calf. So turning your leg and finding those spots that are real tender is really important.